Hello, I'm going to show you how to create a private name server. First thing I have to do is visit kwikaweb.com. Then you log in. Put in my details here. Once you are logged in, you select domains. And I'll be creating a custom name server for kwikashop.com. So I'll click on this. And then I'll navigate to private name servers. So for your custom name server, you must know the IP address. And you like now, if I want to use, for example, ns1.kwikashop.com and ns2.kwikashop.com. So what I'll do before I create this private name servers, you must have created that zone entry. So you have to go back to your services, and then you will click on the services. I'll click on kwikashop.com, and then I'll log into cPanel. Okay, so now that I'm logged into cPanel, I would scroll down to domains and click on zone editor. And here I would click on manage, and I'll add a record. So I'll add this record, ns1.kwikashop.com. I'll leave the type as A, leave the default TTL, and the record address would be 192.110.165.157, which is my IP address for my hosting account. So I'll just click on save record. As you can see, that has been successfully created, and I'll do the same thing for ns2.kwikashop.com. Leave the type as A and the TTL, leave it as default, and then 192.110.165.157. I would save the record. Now, that record has also been created. It is very important you do this before updating your name servers. Like, that's your private name servers. Because if you don't do this, then it is not going to recognize that private name server. So now that I have done this in my cPanel, I'll go back to my account dashboard, and then I'll click on domains, go back to kwikashop.com, and then here I would click on private name servers, and now I'll put in the private name server. So ns1.kwikashop.com. I'll take in this record of the IP, and I would put it here, and I'll click on save changes. You can see the name server was successfully registered. And then I would also put ns2, and then click on put in my IP address and save changes too. And that has also been successfully registered. Now, the reason for this is if you don't want to use the default name server. So now I can since my private name servers have been created, right? I can now go to the name servers section, and here I can now even change my custom name server to ns1 kwikashop.com, ns2 kwikashop.com, and then I'll click on say change name servers. As you can see, that has been changed successfully. So now I'm now using my private name server on my domain. So that is it. That is how to create a private name server and updating private name server. Thank you for watching.